here in Boston, out in front of the Boston Public Library, right where the first explosion went off. This is looking down Boylston Street toward the Lord and Taylor. This is where the whole end. That's where the finish line is, right over there. This is right where it went off. I'm gonna look at the windows have been repaired out in front of the store. You can still see some of the damage from the bomb, even and the pieces of shrapnel up there. Looks like that was bomb damage.
There's a BB hole right there. You see that one?
There's a BB hole right here. So all you people out there on the internet calling this fake, you know, it's kind of hard to fake that kind of stuff. You know, let's confirm. There's not really much damage to this part. These are this glass up on there that got broken. So there's damage around here, all around the zone. I don't see any pieces, or I assume they've all been recovered by the FBI forensics team, but I just want to show people this is the proximity to the blast site. So like basically right here. I'm gonna go check to see if there's anything in this tree over here. Pieces of glass damage or anything on that tree. Let's see. But as you can see, that's right where the first bomb went off. There's this damage. This looks like fresh mortar. It's still a little bit soft. I can feel it. They must have reported this in. This is where the tree was, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the photos again. There's some live footage from the first blast site. Anyways.